अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर खुश आमदीद। Speech on International Women's Day. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to share a few words about International Women's Day, which is celebrated on 8th March every year. This day is celebrated all over the world to recognize the achievements, struggles, and contributions of women in society. Women play a very important role in our lives. A woman can be a loving mother, a caring sister, a supportive friend, and a hardworking professional. From taking care of families to building successful careers, women contribute to every part of society. In the past, women did not always receive the same rights and opportunities as men. They faced many challenges in education, jobs, and decision-making. However, many brave women raised their voices for equality and justice. Because of their efforts, today women are achieving great success in many fields such as science, education, sports, politics, and business. We see many inspiring women around us who prove that women are strong, talented, and capable of achieving their dreams. Their courage motivates others to work hard and never give up. International Women's Day reminds us that gender equality is very important for a better society. Everyone deserves respect, equal opportunities, and the chance to achieve their goals, whether they are men or women. On this special day, we should appreciate and respect the women in our lives who support us every day. We should encourage girls to get education, follow their dreams, and become confident leaders of the future. Let us all promise to respect, support, and empower women, because when women succeed, the whole society grows stronger and better.